Good morning, afternoon actually, but I had to come on and share today's manna of confidence. Y'all, Joel 2 and 23. It is raining here in the Las Vegas area right now, and y'all know I had a message about the rain yesterday, and it was just stirring in my spirit again about the rain today. And he said, give thanks to the Lord, O your God, for he has given rain, the early rain of vindication. Of your vindication, the early rain. I just want to come out here and step out in the rain. Y'all know us with us black women, we don't like to be out in the rain and exposing our hair to it. But when I know that it is the rain, the early rain of vindication, all I can do is rejoice. He's been giving me that spirit of rejoice. Even my cousin's church, they were celebrating this week, or they had a challenge this week of just being joyful, just being grateful, not complaining. And in this season of everything that you can complain about, in the season of Thanksgiving upon us, I just have to give thanks to the Lord for the early rain of vindication. I have to rejoice. I have to be excited and just giving God the glory for everything. There is so much I can complain about, but oh, when I think of the goodness of the Lord, oh, when I think of the goodness of the Lord towards me and the early rain of vindication, I can stand out here in this rain and just rejoice and receive and let the rain fall down on me. So I encourage you today to let the rain shower you. Let the rain refresh. Let the rain bring in renewal. Let the rain bring in a review of your valley. I pray that you have a blessed, amazing Saturday today. And come back on Monday for some more good manna. Y'all go get some of this good rain on you, that rain of vindication. Praise God. Have a blessed day.